Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit a fillable text field using Foxit PDF Editor. Open on Fillable PDF Form and I will edit this fillable text box. Now click on this form option, this menu bar, and here you will find this text field option. Click on this text field and see this text field activated. Now click on this text field, select. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and select properties option. Here you can change this appearance option, text field, border you can show, and you can make it medium or thick and see this. Also you can add fill color if you want and see this. Now select close. Also you can increase or decrease this text field. And see this, and you can move it anywhere. Yeah, this is. In this way you can edit all of your text field similar. And finally select this file option, save or save as in fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.